Hello and welcome back to my channel. In case you're new to this channel, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. So I'll be giving you hot site gist, construction site gist with big color. It's going to be an exciting gist. Today I'm going to be preparing a manhole. So let's go. If you observe this manhole, the height of this manhole, the level now is higher than this road, and we don't like it. It's not fine in the eye. So now I want to remove this manhole. Want to remove it, then reduce the level before we now bring it back. So that's the work now. You see this jackhammer, if you never chop, no near am, we no get strength, no near am. See they vibrate, they collect all your blood, you need enough milk before you touch am. So as it's jackhammer, that is removing it, they are clearing it and they are disposing it. So this is one of the major work we do today. Every day we have work to do. More gist for you. Make I go short break. I'll see you next time. All right.
When I saw enter this place, so to pack all the food here around, just the hungry me almost see food now. Joy, I just salivate to my food. Oh boy, that one don't order chicken. Check that one, and that one, and that one.
No. One. This one at this side. I have this way in your head. That one. The one you talk.
Thank God say she put that one on. That one big way.
So I don't order my rice and chicken or like this. I no get time. Make I chop, so I'll get straight. Give one a better gist. Oh yeah now. Mogo.
So the first thing we did was to jackhammer the old drainage. We removed everything, and so they use jackhammer and scatter them, and so they clear and they pack and put inside the barrel. Next thing I tell them bring reinforcement, so we'll put before we cast them. You will see now for the ground there, we'll place the reinforcement. When we don't place them now, we'll go use binding wire, bind and wear, make sure everything dey okay. Now see this pincher now, we use this pincher now, cut one or two sides, show them how they use cut the reinforcement to arrange and wear. So I define one way I go cut for them. Okay, see this one here. Make I cut that one. So as I place and I come press and down, this thing will come cut. Okay. And so I can't tell the guy, man, they cut and don't take the measurement already, give him. So now so the carpenter down, just the arrange up. I can't they cut another one again. And so we cut everything, arrange them where so that when we finish, the carpenter go do the form work for the cover. This chicken just enter my eye. Oh, no worry, we'll come back to this food. We'll come back to this food. So I can't tell them any mix. Now they mix this thing, our concrete. Don't put cement, put sand, put water. So the guy just they turn on. Oh boy, these guys they get strength to this. My workers they give me so much joy. And they turn on now. Tell them just push on direct inside. Then mix and weigh. They will come the push on. Don't pour the first one now. So we come bring wheelbarrow now. We will use put the remaining ones. As they put them, the messing man now just they clean them up. Now this guy, they call this guy messing king. The guy hand sharp. So now don't pour another set again. So now messing king now go arrange everything for them. So now senior now just they put they put the concrete inside the wheelbarrow. See the pressure when they use now. They pour and they go. This man don't work this work for years, so they get enough experience. So now so we pour, so we they do the manhole. We don't drop the level like this now. I think go the arranger. By the time we don't finish now, you go see everything don't set. Now this reinforcement we put on that to make sure say this thing will last where. So the thing based on say the thing the center of road. We don't want the road just collapse like that. So now we put reinforcement. Better mix now. See now, don't arrange everywhere don't they set. Today where I forget my reflector, make safety no can catch me. When they come hide. Don't collect my food. Okay, chop this food now. I tell you say we'll come back to this matter. We'll come back. See, for this construction space, you guys chop well. If you no chop well, you know if you do this work well. They call this work Obaja work. You know, now the local name we call them. But see this food now, this food they enter. If you know anything, I want chop here. I'm on a fried rice, but this type of fried rice now special type with salad and chicken. See how the thing just the color just sam. I know why they will give me fork and knife. I don't know what they do these people. They just want to stress me. I know sabi use all these things. I know sabi which hand I go put on or waiting me all this one self. Make I just choose one job. So I said the chook on this side. Oh God, these workers they do this work with speed, like their speed there no be here. The way they just mix this thing and the funny part is na hand mix. So we get concrete mixer, but we dey use that one for back. They do our interlocking. The hand mix come there as if na machine they use mixer. Based on say na Saturday work and a half day now, so they won't just rush sharp finish and they will go house go rest, prepare for Monday. And so we use pour the concrete, to arrange and we dress everywhere. Just the pack and the pour, the back and the pour. As you don't mix finish, all the pack inside the wheelbarrow, just the pour and they go. I say construction work sweet, Joe. I tell you, say construction work sweet. More, but sometimes when sun come out like this, you go regret your life. As it is like this now, the weather rain fall. Now why everywhere just calm. And today safe now my birthday, but yet I see on site. So when I tell you, say civil engineering no be for the week. If you want study course where you know go get time for yourself, just go study civil engineering. You go this site 247. Whether na your birthday, nobody care. This slow motion makes sense. So the concrete can't look like soup. The thing on the hungry me. Make I go back go chop my food. I beg. Tomorrow we'll continue our gist. Make I go chop. I will give you this for the next video. Make sure you like and subscribe. If you never like and subscribe this video, I beg. I put in time and energy for the video. Try support your boy. And so you be. Bye bye.